So we got ourselves some interesting news. Number one, Find N5 is going to be coming out in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now, we're going to get the Find N5, and that's going to be released in China and European countries. Keep in mind, though, at this moment in time, this is going to be the OnePlus Open 2. So we're going to get it in September, October time period. But this is when it's officially going to come out from Oppo. And look how insane of a look this actually is. So the top, this is two different phones, by the way. We have both of the phones, the Find N3 and the Find N5, completely opened. So open to their inside display and put on and stacked on top of each other. And to look how much thinner the Find N5 is absolutely insane. It's to a point where it doesn't feel realistic. When I see the Find N5 in every picture I've seen so far of it, either compared to, iPhones or compared to other cell phones, it feels like to a point like it's like a make-believe or it's a concept. It doesn't feel like a real device. And now that we know it's going to also have, number one, it's going to have waterproofness. It's also going to be super crazy thin. It's going to have wireless charging, 16 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Oppo/OnePlus, even though OnePlus is just rebranding Oppo. Holy moly. I have not seen one negative report about the Oppo Find N5. And with all the negative reports about Samsung Z Fold 7, it's a really insane difference. It's night and day difference when it comes to those two devices. And that's not even including the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. That's also going to be absolutely amazing. But again, it is insane to look at these two phones side by side. Now, of course, if you do compare, let's say, for example, the Z Fold 3 versus the Z Fold 6, right? And you look at the differences when it comes to the actual thickness. Yes, you will see a lot thinner on Z Fold 6, obviously. So this is not just goes for Oppo. This goes for pretty much any phone you look at when it comes to two or three different generations. This is actually two different generations, but still, it's going to look a lot better 2 years down the line. But I just feel like Oppo, they're doing such a good job. They really are. And now that we're able to actually get these phones in America, it is so freaking amazing. So we'll have to wait and see what the price tag ends up being, because I think there is, I'm not getting political here, but if there are some tariffs, then the price tag might go a little bit higher up than we wanted to. So just keep that in mind when it comes to price tags of these devices. Right now, we're looking at a price tag of the same price tag as the OnePlus Open 1 for the OnePlus Open 2. But by this time, September or August or October, whenever it comes out, that might be like $2,000. It might be up $200 because of tariffs. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, right? So very interesting. Other news we got today is that Huawei released their first tri-foldable phone last year. Well, that first tri-foldable phone will now be a international phone. It's not coming to America because Huawei cannot sell in America. Physically, they cannot. Doesn't matter what they want. It's illegal because of things that have happened in the past. But what we will get with Huawei, and also we'll get other countries, European countries, will also be receiving the Mate XT, which is their first tri-foldable cell phone, and that's going to be released across pretty much all of Europe. So that will spark a little bit more talk and conversation around tri-foldable cell phones. I'm still really on the fence about it. I'll be honest with you. I'm not really too much into tri-foldable cell phones. I know some people love them, and I know they're a very loved product out there. I'm just not really too on board with tri-foldable cell phones, but hey, it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.